In today's video, let me show you how to fix the TikTok sound remove problem. If you come across a video where the sound on your TikTok video now has been removed, what you can do in this case is you'll see the option called change sound right inside of the sound that has been removed. So you can easily tap on that option and then add in a different song that has not been removed. Alternatively, what you can also do is delete the video that has been uploaded and then download the exact sound that you want to add in for this video and use a editing platform to add in this sound that you want to add in. By doing this process, you'll be able to add in the exact sound that you like, or you can also try uploading a new sound as I earlier said. If you are a business account, sometimes particular songs will be automatically removed, so you cannot do anything about it. You either will need to use a different sound or use a editing platform to add in the sound manually. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to let us know. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.